Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki, known here as the One-Handed Bandit. And if this is your first time watching, thank you for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel. And I have been away for a little while because I have just been taking care of my son. He had some health issues, but other than that, all the new releases and things like that, I haven't picked up very much, but I just wanted to come on camera and do a talk through with you because I haven't done one of those in a while. So I went ahead and I already put some color corrector on my forehead just because I have some darkness, so I like to do that with the color corrector. And to conceal, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. They don't sell this anymore. You may find it at your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Blended the edges. I need the most coverage there in the center, so I don't blend that out. Just the edges. Now for my brows, I do go into my brow kit and then I just brush up my brow hairs. Use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. This one comes in the same pot as the concealer. Perfect. Well, this one is all over the place, but I'm going to clean that up. So I'm just going to use some of the concealer that was left on that brush, and I'm just going to, I don't normally use this concealer, but since I have so much left, prime my eyes with the Plouise base, and this one is in roumour 3. It looks like this. Go into the Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayon Case, and I'm going to go in with this orange shade here, and I'm just going to add that to the transition area. I think I'm pretty much going to stay in this palette today. So I'm going to use this cranberry shade. And this is a MAC 224. And I'm just going to add that right below the last shade that we added. My crease, I'm going to go back into the Watch Me Blush palette, and I'm going to use this shade this shade here. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease. For my lid shade, I'm going to go in with this gold shade in the inner portion. I'm going to flip my brush over and I'm going to try this shade called Strawberry Cream. This one right next to the gold. To line my eyes, I'm going to use the Fenty Flyliner. So I did my liner and lashes, and the lashes that I'm wearing are by the Makepshack in the style Kehlanii. So I've already primed, and I am going to use a foundation I haven't used in a long time, and since I'm dry, I'm going to use the Mercier Candle Glow Luminous Foundation, and I'm using the shade Pecan. So to blend out that foundation, I'm going to use a blending egg, and they are from the Beauty Bakerie, and they come in the package like this, which is really cute. It looks like a half dozen of eggs, and they are blending eggs. They're the black ones that they had for Black History Month. It's called Black Excellence, and they come like this little. So it's 6 sponges for $18, which is pretty much the price of one beauty blender. So I'm just gonna blend that out. So to conceal, I'm going to use my Born This Way concealer in the shade Sand. I'm just going to let that dry just for a little bit, because this is a thin concealer. If you let it sit, it will thicken up and give you more of a full coverage. I'm just going to blend out up here. And I'm also going to contour. So I'm using my Fenty Matchstick in the shade Truffle. And I'm going to set under my eye with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. At my contour area, I'm going to be using this bronzer it's from Prime Beauty. It is black owned, and the shade that I have is Bronzeville. So I'm just hoping that this isn't too dark. Oh, it blends out very nicely. I'm going to contour my nose with that same bronzer. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Colourpop pressed powder in Deep Dark. Blend it out with your setting powder. It does help a little bit with the darkness of the bronzer. So I'm not adding no more product to my brush. I'm just going to define that nose contour a little more. And for highlight, I'm going to use a Fenty highlighter, and this one is in the shade Rosé on Ice, and it comes in this packaging, which is very much similar to her setting powder that comes in this cute packaging as well, like this. So that's the setting powder, and then this is a highlighter, and it is in the shade Rosé on Ice. And this one, it smells really good. It smells like coconut. So I'm just adding a little bit to my 501 highlighter brush. I'm adding a little bit just to build it up. I like to bring it up into my temples, like that, and then blend. Well, what a dramatic change, huh? So I'm going to quickly finish up my eyes. So I'm going to go in with that cranberry shade with a smudger brush. Then I'm going to add that orange shade just to blend out the red just below it. The only thing I need to do is add some blush, and where's my blush brush? I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills trio of bronzers in Berry Adore, and I'm going to use this orange shade on my cheeks. I've been loving this Mcgrath eyeliner. Well, it's a lip liner, and it is in the shade Ground Control. It's a brown liner, that's the tip of it, and it comes in her very unique packaging like this. It is $25, but it does come with a sharpener as well, and it's very, very smooth and creamy. So I've just been using this liner with a gloss. And then I'm just gonna add the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. And that is it. That is my final look today. I'm so happy to be back on camera, and I look forward to creating other videos for you, future content. I hope that you have subscribed, and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload videos. And also leave a comment down below if you have any video suggestions or any looks that you think I should do. Also leave that down in the comment section below. And I appreciate you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.